feels really good to power your house and 2 cars off of sunshine. There's nothing better than that. Getting solar is great. It meets my demand. The scale of the system allowed me to not just meet my home demand, but also charge 2 EVs. So now I'm saving both on electricity and gas and feeling good about it. The entire house and 2 cars are running on sunshine, literally. So my system is large by any standard. It's 22.7 kilowatts. I have 71 panels, each 320 watts. If you add that up, it scales to 22.72 kilowatts. The battery storage actually made that even sweeter for me because I'm producing a lot during the day, right? So you're producing during the peak of the day when you have the most amount of sun. I'm not using it all at that time. Most of my usage is late in the afternoon like most people. So having battery storage allows me to harness most of that, fill up my batteries. At night, I'm running off of my batteries, and in most cases, actually almost every single case, I'm filling up my batteries and still putting out to the grid. So my grid is actually becoming my secondary battery. It's great to have the peace of mind where as long as the sun is shining and my batteries are working, which they're warranted for 10 years, I should be okay. And so far, it's proven to be so. The HOA process was really interesting. They were more concerned about having panels in the front of the house, making it look ugly or not looking desirable, I guess. That's not what I expected. I actually knew what a good solar panel system looked like. I was researching, looking at a lot of photos and so forth. I told them as a homeowner, I was just as concerned about the looks and the aesthetics of my home as they were of the community. Regardless of where the panels are, it should be tastefully done. It should match the architecture. Those are the requirements that I think any HOA or architectural committee should focus on. And I think with that perspective, it changed a lot of minds. And I was able to get exactly what we hoped to get. Had a lot of people walk by, not noticing it's there, and I've had a lot of people's compliments saying, wow, that looks really, really nice. Didn't use any power from the grid for the first 6 months. I was putting in more into the grid than I was pulling. In the summer times, I would pay over $400 a month in electricity to Duke Energy, and now I don't have to pay for that. My experience with Renu was great. Matter of fact, I was actually blown away by how clean of a job they did on the wiring side, both where my power wall went in the garage, as well as on the outside where my cutoff switch is. The point is, I'm running on sunshine. I'm not paying for gas. I'm not polluting the environment. I feel really good about that. I'm saving time and money.